Welcome to this 10-minute back reset stretch. We will gently move the spine in different directions to release tension and improve mobility. Perfect after sitting, working at a desk, or anytime your back needs a reset. Let's begin in child's pose. Keep your big toes together, knees together, hip distance or even wider apart. Just see what feels better on your back. Stretch your arms forward and release forehead down to the mat. Take a few deep breaths here, sending the breath all the way down to your belly and breathing out through the nose or through the mouth. Deep inhale and slow relaxing exhale. Gently stretching the back. We will move through a little spinal mobility flow. Keep your palms pressed down onto the mat. With your next inhale, come up to your hands and knees. Drop your hips towards the ground and lift your heart up into cobra. Exhale, press back into child's pose. Continue to move with the breath. With inhale, move forward. Lift your heart, pull the shoulders back. And exhale, come back into child's pose, rounding the back. Flow on your own a few more times. Adjust your body if needed. Keep your knees closer or wider apart. Come back to child's pose one more time. And then come up to your hands and knees into tabletop position. Hands underneath the shoulders, knees hip distance apart. Drop the belly, arch the back, and circle your upper body towards the right. You can move as fast or as slow as it feels good. And move your head and neck with this movement as well, without overthinking it. Just notice what makes the back feel good here. Switch direction and circle the body to the other side. And slowly return to tabletop position. Inhale, lift your left arm up into open twist. Exhale, thread the arm underneath your right armpit and lower your left shoulder and side of the head to the ground. Stay here and breathe. Into the twist. Inhale and exhale. Notice the stretch on the side of the body, shoulders, back, maybe even on the hip. Press down into the right hand. Inhale, reach your left arm up. Exhale, hand down to the mat. Other side, inhale, right arm up. And exhale, thread the needle pose on this side. Settle into stillness and just breathe. With your next inhale, reach your right arm up, open into twist. Exhale, hand down to the mat. For puppy pose, keep your hips stacked over the knees, lower the elbows down and move them forward, releasing your forehead to the mat. Let your chest melt down, feeling the stretch on the shoulders and sides of the body. If this feels intense, you can try stacking your elbows, your forearms on top of each other to support your forehead. A few more deep breaths into rib cage. And then as you release this pose, roll forward onto your belly. Place your hands on top of each other, support your forehead. And then bend your right knee and slide it up towards the side of the body. Rest here for a moment. You may also feel a nice gentle release on the back in this pose. From here, we will transition into reclined twist, so pay attention. Right knee stays bent. Slowly roll over to the back. Place your right hand to the right knee and stretch your left arm out to the side. Adjust as needed to find a comfortable position. Stretching the lower back, hips. Maybe you even feel something on the shoulders. Just one more deep breath. And begin to unwind, come back to your belly. Just like on the other side, slide your left knee up towards the side of the body. Stay here for a moment. And then move on to reclined spinal twist. Open your right arm out to the side and bring your left hand to your left knee. Find a good position on this side and stay here. Breathing in and out through the nose. One more big breath. And and slowly release the paws. Stay on your back. Pull your knees into the chest. Hug your shins with your hands and gently rock side to side. Or keep your hands on the knees and circle the knees 3 to 5 times in one direction and then the other, massaging your lower back. Come back to stillness, hug your shins, bring forehead towards your knees, make yourself into a ball. Take a deep breath. And with exhale, release. Slowly roll to the side and make your way up to a cross-legged sit. Close your eyes for a moment. With inhale, reach your arms up over the head. Exhale, bring your palms together to your heart. Put a gentle smile on your face and open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you notice a difference in your lower back. I wish you a great day and see you in the next video. Bye!